Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about dirty computer keyboards and why it's important to clean your keyboard every once in a while. Have a look at this.
Is the keyboard dirtier than your toilet? Yes! 5 times dirtier than a toilet seat! 150 times over the acceptable limit for bacteria levels. Those keyboards.
I told you guys you didn't want to see that.
Keyboards get dirty mainly from unwashed hands and from bacteria buildup on food particles that drop or get smudged onto your keyboard. See this? This is what I'm talking about. Touching your face, dead skin, and contamination from pets or other people can also raise bacteria levels.
He's doing so many things right now.
I mean, you probably wash your hands multiple times a day, but if you think about it, when was the last time you cleaned your keyboard or mouse? And how often do you eat in front of your computer?
There's like octopus in here.
So what's the problem with having a dirty keyboard? Is it really that bad? Well, an extremely dirty keyboard could make you sick, or it could give you a histamine response like itchy eyes, sneezing, a rash, or bring on other problems. Check out these clips.
Look at all this. Look at all the stuff that's in my keyboard right here. And all this. It's like crumbs. Oh, man. Alright. Let me see if I can figure out how to stick these keys back together here. Anyways, that was just a first-hand look on how gross your keyboard can get.
That's disgusting, right? Check out this YouTuber who tested the bacteria levels on his keyboard and found levels were 51 times dirtier than their toilet, and their computer mouse was 35 times dirtier than their toilet. Let's test this keyboard. Gross.
You think I've got germs? I'll give you some germs. How about some for your keyboard, huh? How about that?
Don't worry. If you have a dirty keyboard, there's no reason to panic. Your immune system needs something to fight, and normal exposure to bacteria is a good thing. The problem is mainly with extreme bacteria buildup, and the best idea is to limit your microbe exposure to normal levels. While I'm not an expert, it's probably a good idea to clean your keyboard maybe twice a month, while sick or immune compromised people might want to clean their keyboard more often than that. Do some research to figure out what's best for you, but it might be a good idea to clean your keyboard and mouse with just an antibacterial wipe. You could take things a step further and use a vacuum or ever so slightly dampen a cloth with equal parts of vinegar and water. Just be careful not to get liquid inside of your keyboard or on your monitor. Some people use cleaning slime, and you could also use a rubber keyboard cover to prevent crumbs from going between your keyboard keys. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips and advice that'll help you live a better life.